Well, hello YouTube, it's Chase from Gaga Ballard 223. And today I just came back from a hotel because my dad had a meeting there, something called the Galaxy Star, so that's really cool. And I came back, and since we're switching rooms, my mom got me some pretty awesome stuff. Angry Bird stuff. So, Angry Bird space, bag you can carry. It's really cool. It has front side and back. Has green Terrans, green huge Terrans, red space super space redbird, super laser bird, fire bomb bird, and 3 lightning bluebirds. So I'm going to show you all of them. Some of the things I'm not going to open. I'm just going to open all of them. So first up, we got the Angry Bird lip lollipops. So let's just get this open. It's going to be a long video, but who cares? It's going to be fun. So it comes with a piggy, and you do this. Green apple. Bleh. I don't like green apple. I'm going to keep that on there and just put it in my mouth whenever. Bleh. Ew. Don't like green apple. Set that aside. Then next in the bag, I got an Angry Birds Star Wars pencil case because school's starting soon. So yeah, that's really cool. There's nothing in it except for paper. So that's really cool. Can't wait to put my pencils in there, my Angry Bird pencils. Well, just kidding. And also, it comes with, this is Angry Birds collectible figures, stickers, and candy. So let's get this thing open. Yay, got it opened. Open this. So sweet. Redbird. How do you open this? Oh, it's like a little handle at the bottom you turn. So open. This is hard. Seriously? This is really confusing. Dad, how do you open this? Really? Where? So, it's not really a figure. It's kind of a keychain. But here we go. Open this up. It's the egg. It's kind of like a little ring thing. Comes with the orange. So that's cool. So the trash aside. Candies, but I don't like these candies. Who cares? The stickers. This one. Get out of there. Oh, it's ruined. Oh no, it's just like a figurine collection. And on the back it shows you all the stickers you can collect. And I got Redbird, so that's cool. Next is the Angry Birds shirt. It's another one. It says, "This is my game face." So I'm gonna wear that soon. Awesome. My mom is the nicest mom in the mommy universe. Oh, oops, my bad. My bad. And one thing that's not Angry Birds that she got me is this fart putty. You open it up and you stick your fingers in it and it farts. Just to let you know. So, the next putty Molastic, like Masila. Whoa. Angry Birds. The back, it shows, you can bounce it. It's just like normal putty bags, putty boxes, but Angry Bird. Okay. So take off the pig thing. Here's the putty. So as you know, it's putty, so probably don't need to show that. Then I'm saving the best for last. And this is a wristband, Angry Bird Blackbird wristband. So, yeah. Let's take it off and get a better look. There we go. Pretty cool. Then the last thing is, let me set the bag back there. My favorite thing of all is the Angry Bird Space Mashems bonus pack. Oh yeah. Let's put this so you can see it better. So here it is. It's ages 4 and up. It comes with the whole set except for the space egg. It comes with a launcher, and it says on the back, squish 'em, twist 'em, and launch 'em. And there's also 6 to collect. I have the whole collection except for the space egg. There's a space egg, lightning, I don't know his name. It's like the lightning guy, purple space bird, space laser bird, whatever. Super space red bird, fire bomb bird, and ice bird. So that's really cool. Let's get this open. Will be a long video. Sorry. These packages are always hard to open. Let's take this off. There we go. So that's cool. That's some really cool detail right there. Ah, nice. Here's Redbird. Oh, these makes the noise. So these are kind of demented. Not really. They're really sticky at first. But here's Bluebird. Laser Space Bird. Man, it's really sticky. This guy's kind of small though, but you can squeeze him. Sticks, I'm not gonna play with them right now. But here's Fire Bomb Bird. Here is Icebird. Icebird starts out like a square. You can squeeze them into different shapes. Okay? And if you saw my other Mashems video, you probably know how fun they are. I can squish them, squish my face too. And you can squish them, twist them, and launch them. So here's the launcher that it comes with. You do this, and wow, that was bad. Oh, package got on it. Let's use Redbird. These are hard to launch when they're sticky. That hit my dad in the head. Okay, let's get that back. So, if you saw my other Mashems video, you should check that out. They make the noise. I don't like the noise though. Sticking to each other. Nah. Okay. So that was my video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And sorry, that was like the only long video. Really, the launcher. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye-bye.